Hey guys, Javen here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can trim your hair at home. I will be trimming the side hair, back hair, and top hair without reducing much of its hair length because my purpose here is just to make myself look more tidy, and I also want to continue growing my hair out for a tubular haircut. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. So if you take a look at my lower back hair, you can see that it's growing a little bit long. So the goal here is just to trim it a little bit, just to make it a bit shorter. I will be using this 360 self-cut mirror over here to help me do this haircut. This mirror is really versatile because it allows you to hang it on any door. So right here I'm hanging it in my washroom door and I can adjust it to my desired height. So the three mirrors will allow you to see all sides of your hair from your front side to the back. And if you're interested in getting one for yourself, I have a 10% discount code in the bio description down below, and my discount code is JAVEN10, so you can get one for yourself. Now I'm just showing you how I see my hair using this mirror, and this is how it looks like hanging from a door. To get started, I'm just combing my hair downwards so all my hair is just facing in the same direction. I start off by using scissors to trim the hair beside my ear, so on top of my ear and around my ear. I'm using the longest length of hair guard, so right now I'm using clip number 8 just to shave the sides and back hair. And by shaving, I mean just trimming it. By using the longest clip guard on the hair clipper, I ensure that I do not overcut my hair. This process also allows me to remove any dead ends or split ends of my hair. Trimming my hair also allows me to maintain healthier hair. While I'm doing this, I'm holding the top back of my hair because I want that section to keep growing out, and I'm just shaving the bottom back and my side hair. Now I'm just using my hairbrush here just to remove all the hair on my neck and my shoulder. Next comes the thinning shears. For the thinning shears, I'm just removing some of the weight off my hair so my hair will be lighter. By using a thinning shear and not just any regular scissors, it ensures that I'm reducing bulk without reducing its hair length. I'm not a perfectionist, so as long as my hair looks decently neat, I'm happy. The final step in this process is to use my hair clipper in the guard 0, so it's 0 hair length, and just shaving the neck hair so there's no hair on my neck. With hair clippers widely available right now, you can easily buy one for as cheap as $30, so save some money by not going to the barbers and doing this yourself. By learning how to cut your own hair, you will also be learning a valuable lifelong skill because your hair will always grow, so when you learn how to cut your hair, you save tons of money in the long run. The cleanup process is extremely easy as well. For me, I cut my hair in a washroom and I'm using a vacuum to just vacuum up all the hair. So right now I'm just using a blow dryer just to dry my hair quicker. I don't usually use blow dryer that much because I prefer to air dry my hair, but right now I'm using it in a cool setting so it doesn't damage my hair follicles. When I do this, I also make sure just to adjust my hair a little bit, press it down, shape it a little bit so when it dries, it will sort of stay in that shape. And for those of you who wants to use the blow dryer in the hot setting, I recommend using a heat protectant so you don't fry your hair. So once that's done, here is the finished product. My hair is still long because I did not want to cut it too much. By doing this, it will allow my hair to grow into the shape I want to, which is basically what it looks like right now but in a longer length. And eventually when my top hair grows long enough, I can grow the tubular hairstyle and shave the sides. Hope you enjoy my hair trimming process. If you like what you see, let me know down in the comments below and check back next time.